Good morning. Here's Sammy. Yeah. We are headed to Sitting Bull Falls. And, oh, looky there. Who is that? Who is that? Huh? Sammy's like, who is that? Yeah. We are here. There's Bandito. Yeah. There's Deborah. Yeah, we are headed to Sitting Bull Falls. And I'm here for a few days visiting Deborah, and we're going to go on an adventure today. So, wanted to bring y'all along. And all I know is it's a waterfall that we're going to. Do you know anything else?
I really don't. I'm really looking forward to this. And I want your viewers to know that I know I've been MIA and you are coming through to see me, and thank you, because this has been fun. and I've had other friends that have been to see me, and I'll be doing a couple of videos next week, and tell everybody what's going on and why I am grounded for the moment.
Stay tuned for that video. All right, you ready?
I am. Let's go.
Let's go. So we are on the Guadalupe National Backcountry Byway, and it has been a beautiful drive. So behind this sign is a bunch of oil field stuff and plants, oil field gas plants. And so we're going to go over here and see how it's a big valley behind this sign. I just picked up all this trash, basically. So this says Marathon TP State Gas Company, and it's welded in there. Well number 1, P&A, March 22nd, 1984. And its location is section 32, I think township 21. I'm not sure what the R24F is. And this one I can't read. There's still more writing on it on this side, but I can't read it. The National Register of Historical Places. Isn't it? It's beautiful. Picnic table right there. I hear water.
I hear it.
You can tell water came down that.
Yeah.
But not right now. But I do hear.
I think they said that runs in April.
April. I hear people down there. Now you can go down there. There's some steps. Oh man, look at that. my bathing suit. Simply amazing. She's on the other side of the river, creek. What's amazing is how you can see where the water cut out of the rock, like all the way around. It's crazy. What's a picnic without sushi? Yeah, I can't believe it either. And some crab salad, and some of the olive salad, and some cheese, some smoked Gouda.
It's so Gouda.
It's so Gouda. Let's eat.
Yeah.
That is a great spot for a picnic table.
It's up so high. Come here next time.
Yeah, it was in the sun when we went to have our picnic, so, but pretty cool. You gotta climb these steps to get up there. Yeah, look at this. It's like stalactite. Stalagmite, stalactite. Very cool. It's a bird's nest. Look at that though, isn't that cool? Up
It's
in there.
milky.
Yeah. Very cool. And there's the view from the picnic table. That's the rock I tripped over.
Stick it straight up.
Yeah.
Bandit.
Bandit says, I got it. I got it. So we're driving around out here in the middle of nowhere, New Mexico. This is a booster station. So when I was talking about me being a roustabout, this is where what I worked on. I was a mechanic's helper, roustabout, basically, and do whatever they tell you to do. That's a gas compressor station, and it pumps the gas from out in the field, the oil field, to, there's a plant in the background. It's a Marathon plant. This is a Marathon booster station. My chair was moving.
Oh, I was rolling.
I think we just had an earthquake.
I know we did.
Bandit started barking.
And Sammy too. She got up and boofed.
My chair was...
Now it has stopped.
Yeah, my chair was going back. That's the first earthquake I've ever felt.
That was the freakiest dang thing.
My chair was going back and forth. Wow. It was going forward and back, forward and back. Rock, I mean, it was... Okay. It's not over yet, but all my property is mortgaged.
And you have no cash.
I have no cash. Yeah, she owns everything. She's got castles. I had to sell all my homes.
And you owe me,
She is.
You owe me 80 right now.
Right now?
Yeah, because you
Landed on the train? Well, I don't have 80. Those are mortgaged. I'm done.
I know.
The end of game.
I only need 80 though. That'd be these three.
20, 40, 60.
Oh.
70, 80.
Which property do you want?
And I'll donate. And I'll donate the last one. Look at all her money over there.
And 2 get out
Look
of
at
jail
all her
free cards. And,
money.
And all my property.
All your
Which
property.
now also includes these mortgages.
You own everything. All right, you won.
And thank you, Judith, for the game.
Good game. Good night.